I got here a 2013 Toyota Corolla, which actually sounds kind of interesting. They're saying that the whole cluster doesn't work. Let's see. Yeah, everything's, so there's no gas, there's no tachometer, and I think they said the speedometer doesn't work, which makes sense, but well, I'm not going to drive it now because I'm behind it. Let me just plug in the scan tool. The door jar light does work. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's 2014, my bad. Okay, there's no communication to the combination meter. Alright. Lost communication with body control module, but that's old. ECM is vehicle speed sensors. Just one vehicle speed sensor, PO500. These have the ABS module, I think, controls it. That's funny. So there's a PO. I would assume maybe the ABS module is bringing on the network, but let's see. But we have communication to everything else, so. Okay, before I even look at a diagram, let me show you what I want to do. Let's see. It doesn't really make sense because it would bring down the whole network and everything else seems to be working. But it is giving me a PO500, which usually means that the ABS module is faulty because these cars don't have a speed sensor inside. I don't have a hood prop. That's annoying. I'm just going to unplug this. Alright, now this is unplugged. Now, let's turn on the car again, see if we have communication to this. And no, we don't. Okay, so let's get a diagram. Let's plug that back in, and then we'll get a diagram. Let's do another scan quickly. Alright, so I guess what we do here is power grounds and communication. It's pretty much all it needs. Alright, so I'm just going to check these two fuses first. They're both in the driver's side junction block. So I'm going to check the fuses. I need to turn the car on, so sorry about that annoying beep. Maybe if I run the car, well. Alright, we're going to have to deal with that beep. So fuse 5 is a meter fuse. So we got fuse 5. Sorry, 5 amp fuse. 3, 4. It's missing. 3, 4. This fuse is missing right here. This is the fuse. 5 amp. it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4 down. It's a 5 amp meter fuse. Show you this. And the fuse is missing. If we check with the test light, we have power on one side. All we need is a 5 amp fuse right here. And this car should be working. Alright, I got a fuse. Let's just pop it in over here. This one. But let's see. Now the beeping stopped. And we got our cluster. So all it was just a fuse that was missing. So you see, the shop told me they checked the fuses, but that's the problem with just checking all the fuses. But here, when you have a diagram, it clearly says meter fuse. You go straight to that fuse, and you'll see if it's missing. All right, I see something about the blinkers didn't work. All right, now they work. Lights work. Everything works. Let me clear all the codes. Maybe it'll probably get rid of this PO500 also, I'm assuming. Let me clear all the DCs. All right, now let me just go out so I can do a post scan. Smart scan. All right, there's no codes. What is this? Sliding roof doesn't have. On definite turret. We got a whole clean report. Thanks for watching.